If you happen any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment box. Force Motors confirms 5-door Gurkha will arrive after the launch of the 3-door version. The new version will rival the 5-door Mahindra Thar and Maruti Suzuki Jimny. Force Motors is working on launching the new Gen Gurkha in India later this year. While we wait for this BS6 compliant model to arrive, the company has confirmed that it is working on a 5-door variant of the SUV. As seen in the set of leaked images, the new Force Gurkha is finished in the same shade of orange that was showcased last year. The model is fitted with a snorkel, new headlamps with circular DRLs, a single slat grille with the Force Motors logo, fog lights, a roof carrier, chunky wheel cladding, and black ORVMs. Previous images have revealed additional details about the 2021 Force Gurkha. We can expect the next-gen Force Gurkha to feature a dual-tone theme, touchscreen infotainment system, 3-spoke steering wheel, front power windows, analog instrument cluster and circular AC vents. The new Gurkha will be launched between July to September. Gets a modern design overhaul, yet retains its classic G-Class inspired look. Will gain features such as LED headlamps with DRLs and an aftermarket touchscreen infotainment system. The off-roader will mostly get a 90 PS 2.6-liter diesel engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Force Motors revealed the new generation Gurkha at the Auto Expo 2020. The recently spied shots confirm that there is no change from the showcased model. The manufacturer claims that every panel on board is completely new. While you can spot modern touches like pasted windscreens, fixed rear window and smoothed out edges, it retains the classic Mercedes G-Class inspired styling. The cabin of the Force Gurkha has been revamped with an all-black theme with rear captain seats and jump seats in the boot. It will further feature LED headlamps with DRLs, power windows, dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, an aftermarket touchscreen infotainment system, optional alloy wheels and rear parking sensors. The new Gurkha should come with its existing 90 PS/260 Nm 2.6-liter diesel engine, paired with the 5-speed manual gearbox. There are chances that it could later get the more powerful 140 PS 2.2-liter diesel engine. 4x4 drivetrain with a low-range transfer case and manual, front and rear, locking differentials will continue as standard fitments. The new model is expected to demand a premium over the earlier recorded prices, 9.99 lakh rupees to 13.30 lakh rupees, ex-showroom Delhi. It is expected to undercut the prices of the Mahindra Thar, its fiercest competitor. Under the hood, the new Force Gurkha will be powered by a BS6 compliant 89 bhp 2.6-liter diesel engine. A 5-speed manual gearbox will be standard, and 4x4 capability will be offered as well. Upon arrival, the 2021 Force Gurkha will rival the likes of the new Mahindra Thar. Force Gurkha to be launched around August 2021. The next-gen off-roader will get more features to better rival the Mahindra Thar. Force Gurkha to be launched around August 2021. The next-gen off-roader will get more features to better rival the Mahindra Thar. 1. Design. As compared to the outgoing model, the new gen model features some cosmetic changes, which include new optional LED headlights, redesigned front grille as well as restyled front and rear bumpers. However, the overall boxy silhouette of the off-roading SUV remains the same as before. The new Gurkha sits on 245/70R16 tires. Under the high bonnet, the new Gurkha is likely to get a BS6 compliant Mercedes SOS 2.6-liter diesel engine and will be paired to a 5-speed manual with a rear-wheel drive setup. Force Motors could also equip the Gurkha with a 4x4 configuration to make it off-road capable. The Gurkha is expected to be launched before September 2021, even though it was initially planned for July 2020. but it will rival the likes of the new Mahindra Thar and the Isuzu V-Cross, and we expect it forced to price the new Gurkha between Rs 10-15 lakh, ex-showroom. We also expect a Gurkha Extreme model designed for extreme off-roading. 2. Powertrain. Under the hood of the next-gen Gurkha will be a 2.6-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine that puts out 90 PS and 260 Nm, and comes mated to a 5-speed manual transmission with a low-range transfer case. The Gurkha continues to offer an independent suspension setup up front with a rigid axle rear arrangement. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon for amazing cars videos.